So guys, we're using a new temporary machine. Doing the first load. I haven't said the brand name yet because Mum's here.
Is that a doorbell?
No, it's not a doorbell. And we're doing cotton 60 with quick with a load of darks. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. Florence Ballard A3060.
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
And Mum thought that's a doorbell. Yeah, why do you think it's got that on there?
It's integrated.
Yes.
That's why. And it's...
You don't know the brand of it, do you? Because it doesn't say it on there.
Hoover.
No. It's made by Electrolux, like Zanussi, but it's made for a store.
Curry's.
No.
What's the other one?
Huh?
What's the other electrical? Give me the first letter.
What? I.
Iceland.
No.
Yeah, Iceland used to sell.
They did used to sell, but they had their own brand called Ocean, was there?
I don't know. Indesit.
No, Indesit's a brand, not a store. If I gave you...
No, I was going to say in this city.
That's the train.
I'm thinking of what it's called.
Its brand name is RENLIG.
Who?
RENLIG.
That's not for me.
And it translates to clean, which there's a store that uses foreign words to describe all their product names. It's their way of like, so say like you brought a lamp from them, it's gonna have like a certain name, it's gonna have like a foreign name for that brand.
Ah, IKEA!
It's an IKEA machine, yeah. IKEA RENGLIG.
IKEA RENGLIG.
Right, I mean, it means IKEA clean, it does. Clean washing machine, yeah.
Okay, good. Stupid.
That's why I'm trying to guess the brand. Right, let's get this load in for a load of darks. But we're doing it on quick cycle because I know these machines do have sort of long cycles, but as I was saying in the video of it coming in, I have had a machine exactly like this when I had the Zanussi version. So yeah, it's a fun one to film. And there goes me phone. The Beko literally just got sold right now, it just got taken away. So that's that's that done at least. But I need to check my shorts, yeah I do. It's a bit cooler today as well, it's been raining. So I'm going to roll these videos and we are exactly at 7,950 subscribers, so we've only got 50 more to go until the big 8,000. And we reveal the surprise. I do like this though. I love how Zanussi make their detergent channel so narrow, it looks like you've put a monstrous amount in. This is the Waitrose conditioner we're using here. Summer Sun. That's 100 millilitres in there. I'm going to do cotton standard 60. Full load. Super quick. Do I want rinse plus as well? I can do rinse plus with it, but no, I'll just do super quick because that will get us done in time. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's start. Pump out. Got a load of towels indeed. I'll be doing a towel wash on this next. Probably not today. But like tomorrow or something, or I'll film that as well. So, 2 videos out of it straight away. But as we speak, I'm editing the pickup video of it. I've also got one of those little mini dryers that are like 3 kilograms, but they're like made by Cookology and whatnot. So I'll do some small items in that one at some point. Hopefully the motor will smoothen out. I lay it down on its front for 2 hours the other night with motor oil, clean oil in the motor. Hopefully. Hot man. Put the thumbnail. Have the IKEA logo on there now. Decent level. IKEA, yeah. Are you off somewhere now?
No. When's your next day off?
Saturday.
Were you doing Saturday? No, so
No.
you're working Sunday.
Yeah. Not doing anything Saturday. Why?
No, it's Corn and Richard's anniversary. They're going to Nando's, Ealing Broadway on Sunday in the afternoon.
I might be early shift that day, I think. I don't know, I'll have to see.
Oh, okay. Because if so, they're doing it at 3.
Oh, that'll be when I finish.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'll see. Yeah, I think so.
No, okay, thank you.
What have I done?
What?
2 envelopes on there.
GP or something?
Yeah.
No. What have you done with them? They were there.
Check the bin.
You think you binned it? Right, we're heating to 60 degrees Celsius. Quite good wash action. And we've got about a 2000 watt heater in this, I think. Or 1950 watts, I think. There's some interesting programs on here to try as well. But it's lightweight to move around, so it's, you know, it's a good one to keep in for a bit. Well, I mean, after 8,000 subscribers, we'll continue with it. Yeah, it does heat up quite quick though. We have reached 60 degrees Celsius. Oh, doing more frequent action now. It's nice. It is nice to just get a machine that's literally get it, plug and play, and that's, you know, straight in. On the first intermediate spin, which I believe is 850 RPM. Nice chugging pump. Straight into distribution, I like that. there. Smooth spin 2. And the anti-clockwise one. Well, it still does sound a bit screechy, but forward up completely as much as I can, so. 'cause watch what it does on the way down. I think you know what it's going to do. Holds it. Does do a little pump out after the spin as well. It's got such a good pump to it. First rinse, it's a sort of medium level. Oh no, hang on. Continued filling. Is it medium or high level? It's kind of like door glass. Doesn't do any filling and tumbling though. That's SuperQuick we use, that's it. I will add a pre-wash to one of these. Maybe a towel wash we can do with a pre-wash. Yeah, that's pretty much a high level rinse. Deep level rinse, I mean. Oh, that's very satisfying to watch that. See, very frequent reverse. So even though you do SuperQuick, it makes use of every little second. That's really good, that is. Nice, we've got to see a normal load of clothes for the first one. On the second intermediate spin, I'm going to say 850 again or 1000 RPM. I've got to pull back a bit because I realised I've got to compensate for my copyright logo being at the bottom. There you go. Straight to distribution. I love that, that's like no mess around. I know with dart washers it's often hard to see in. I like the fact it keeps distributing as well, see? That's another thing they got right, is to keep it distributed. Yeah, 450, 650, 850. Quite a nice effect, that sound on the motor bearings though. Shaking a little bit. 850. Keep it running in case it does any pump out afterwards. So filling for the final rinse. Machines to stop filling. I think that's going to be the conditioner. Yeah, absorbing the conditioner first. And we'll go to the actual fill. It's been really smooth as well on this load. And I'll bung that lot straight in the indicert. I've been meaning to film the indicert plus the new compact dryer. The compact dryer is one of those, it's only 850 watts. So, and there we go, look, tumbling while filling, there we go, so we do it. We'll say we get 2 videos out of this, and then maybe the indicert dryer can be filmed, a further 2 videos, and then I'll get the compact dryer filmed. I don't know if he watches these videos, but Mature Sigma has uploaded, Jan's uploaded a new video. I've got to check it out. Ooh, yeah, this space is almost full. That's going up to a deeper level there. I think it's a timed fill as well. Oh, it's deep. Oh, it is a deep level then. Pretty good level. Look at that. Deeper final rinse level. That's amazing. satisfying to watch though. That's what I like with Zanussi. They kind of, Zanussi Electrolux, they've always kept this vintage kind of thing with the spinning and the rinsing. Shame this one doesn't, I don't think this doesn't do the spin rinses though. Final spin, 1200 RPM. Now with SuperQuick selected, this will try to get to 1200 as quickly as possible. Watch the first straight to distribute. It's not on balance, which is good. There we go, don't ruin, yeah, we want to be able to see the back of the drum. That one will spread it. These tend to like shaking back and forth. Keep the drum cleared as well. Look. Yeah. That's not on level then. That's that loud on it. the 1200 is always the fastest thing. You know, it's more of a forceful 400. Well, that's a good load of towels we've already got, ready to be washed. I'll get this bit of the anti-tangle. She just finished. Oh, we don't have a full 180 degree door opening on these. Oh yeah, because obviously they're integrated, so they don't need that. Ooh, wow, for 1200 RPM, that's actually done really well. Yeah, to be fair, I'll hand it that. It's probably done a little bit better than than the AquaCycle one we had. Okay, fair play. Alright. Obviously those motor bearings will probably settle in over time. There's a little bit more on the door, so it needs to be further cleaned. I'll just keep bleaching that. But overall I think this is going to be a good machine. This is the first wash of the IKEA RENGLIG IWM60 integrated washing machine made by Electrolux for the IKEA brand. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.